Drugluche Novik Duvak means an old friend is better than two new friends. To 60 helicopters, constructions of frigates, and acquisition and building of other defense platforms are in synergy with India's technology and security priority. The highly productive outcomes of our meeting clearly establish the special and privileged nature of our strategic partnership. They also lay the foundations for deeper defense and economic ties in years ahead. Russia's clear stand on the need to combat terrorism mirrors of our own. We deeply appreciate Russia's understanding and support of our actions to fight cross-border terrorism that threatens our entire region. We both affirm the need for zero tolerance in dealing with terrorists and their supporters. President Putin and I noted the similarity of our views on the situation in Afghanistan and turmoil in West Asia. We also agreed to work closely to respond to the challenges posed by the unsettled nature of the global economic and financial markets. Ties are on the upswing, and with President Putin's backing, we hope to fast-track India's association with Eurasian Economic Union Free Trade Agreement. With dedication of Kudankulam 2 and laying of foundation concrete of Kudankulam 3 and 4, we saw the tangible results of India-Russia cooperation in the field of civil nuclear energy. Chapters in a long history of strong and diverse defense partnership that both sides can take much pride in it.
Господин премьер-министр говорил о дружбе между нашими странами, которая сложилась в течение многих лет. Мы намерены и дальше идти именно по этому пути.
Military and military technical cooperation is improving. Russia is not only supplying military equipment and ordnance, but also is opening joint production of the most modern military equipment. For example, Su fighter jets, tanks, and anti-ship missiles, BrahMos. We have plans to have in Indian production of multi-target helicopters K-2026 and frigates. We're going to improve humanitarian ties. Previous year there was a festival of Indian culture, and this year vice versa. Russian enterprises are showing great interest to Indian initiative Make in India. There are negotiations going on about licensed production of civil aircraft, Sukhoi Superjet 100, as well as about joint development of regional passenger aircraft.
This concludes the joint press briefing. Thank you all.